Introducing the Synology CC400W, an AI-powered Wi-Fi camera with flexible installation. Compatible with dual-band Wi-Fi, add cameras to your network to set up a wireless security system. With easy assembly and wireless setup, you can install your camera wherever you want and seamlessly integrate it into various environments. Equipped its magnetic base, you can install the camera directly onto a magnetic surface without any tools. The camera's IP65 rating ensures stable operation in all sorts of weather. Its 4MP high definition provides 125-degree wide-angle views with no blind spots. And with night vision up to 10 meters, you'll have a clear view even in the dark. Plus, the built-in microphone and speaker allows for real-time communication. CC400W's AI makes setup smarter. Detect people in vehicles, identify intrusions, and track movement automatically. Utilize post-event tracking to quickly focus on targets and immediately play back the results. Flexible, simple, safe. Capture every crucial moment for you with the CC400W.